morning, students. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the principles of development in paper 2. Okay. So, today in psychology, we will discuss about the stages of human development. Okay, the stages of human development. So, there are nearly 10 stages are there in human development. Okay. This categorization is given by the famous psychologist Elizabeth Hurlock, okay, who is a famous scientist in psychology. Okay, he explained each and every stage of human being, how the human is adapted in that stage, what are the main functions and characteristics of that stage. All these things we will discuss now. Okay. So there are nearly 10 stages are there, which are prenatal stage, nascent child stage, infancy, early childhood stage, later childhood stage, early adolescence, later adolescence, okay, and adult stage, middle age, and old age. Okay, these are the mainly 10 human stages. Okay, basing on these 10 stages, we can understand what are the main abilities and what are the main characteristics and what are the main behavioral changes are there in each and every stage of the human being. Okay, this categorization is given by Elizabeth Hurlock. But another famous scientist is also here, whose name is Ebbinghaus. He explored all the behavioral changes of these each and every stage of the human being. If you see, number one stage is prenatal stage. Okay, in this prenatal stage, the baby is growing inside the mother's womb. Okay, actually this is the gestation period. In this period, totally in 9 months, there are different kinds of behavioral changes and physical and mental and emotional changes will be occur in this stage. Actually, human life starts with the zygote. Okay, it is a single cell or uni cell. So, male and female gametes of the parents, when they fusion in the mother's fallopian tube, the zygote will be formed. With that unicell of the zygote, the number of divisions may be occur in mother's womb. Okay. After that, in each and every week and every month, there are different organs will be formed in the baby. Okay. And in this period, few kinds of mother's reflections and sounds will be receiving by the baby. Okay. And finally, when the gestation period will be completed, after 9 months, the baby comes to the earth. Okay, from that period to nearly 2 weeks, a little stage is there, which is nascent nascent child stage. Okay, from birth to 2 weeks. Okay, when the baby birth on this earth, up to the second week, the nascent child stage will be proceeding. Okay, in this stage, the baby is completely depend upon the mother's feeding, completely depend upon mother's milk, and this stage is completely sleepy stage. Okay, and regularly 24 hours the baby is going to be sleep in this stage. Okay, and also completely prolonged with subconscious stage also. Okay, this stage is also called as subconscious stage. Okay, here the baby adapt of all systems of the environment. Okay, the baby adapts with all surroundings of its environment, little sounds and little weather changes also is there. Okay, next going to third stage, which is infancy stage. Okay, this infancy stage is 2 weeks to 2 years. Okay, up to the completion of the second year, this stage will be proceeding in the baby. This infancy stage completely learning about okay, different kinds of abilities like little language words, okay, acquiring complete linguistic words, okay, and also he understands the sexual differences in between male and female persons, okay, and he gets to readiness to learn anything, and this is the main stage of self concept. Okay, in this stage the mainly self concept will be understood by the baby, okay, and the mainly understands about the true or false concepts in each and every aspect of the situation. Okay, this is the infancy stage. And next go to early childhood stage. Okay, this early childhood stage is from second year to fifth year. Okay, actually this stage is called in Telugu Purva Balya Dasha. Okay, so in this stage there are different kinds of sub stages are there. Okay, for example toy stage, exploratory stage, okay, and gang stage. Next imitative stage, creative stage. Means these are not the stages. Different kinds of behavioral changes will be occur in this early childhood stage. Okay, here the baby plays different kinds of roles. He plays with his toys. Okay, he don't exchange those toys with their neighbor kids. Okay, only he will play with his toys only. This kind of play is called as parallel play. Okay, and next here he will have different kinds of doubts. That's why this age is called as exploratory age. Okay, prasninche vayassu. Okay, in this exploratory stage the children begins to explore things around them. They go on asking different kinds of questions to their parents and siblings and their friends also. Okay, here another age is also is there in early childhood stage, which is imitative age and creative age. Here the baby imitates all kinds of activities, how his mother is doing, how his father is doing. Likewise he imitates all the works and activities in his daily life. Okay, that's why this early childhood stage is very important stage in human's life, particularly child life. Okay, here completely the complete behavior will be comes to the baby by observing the surroundings and social movements. Okay, next go to the later childhood stage. Here this stage is completely from 6th year to 12th year. Okay, what are the main ages are there in early childhood stage? The ages may be continuing in this later childhood stage. Okay, completely this stage also having the exploratory age, imitative age, creative age, and also this particular stage is called as pre-gang age. Here the children makes some kinds of leadership qualities and formation of gangs and formation of friendships. Okay, basing on their interest and abilities, they go on different kinds of people and selecting different kinds of friends in their life. Okay, that's why this stage is called as early later childhood stage. Okay, here the kid select different kinds of new opportunities. Okay, in the school, and also he achieved different promotions like new attitudes and new values he gets in the society. Okay, generally psychologists consider this stage is as a first step towards the human life. Okay, this later childhood stage is the first stage to or first step to get the human life. Okay, so and next this later childhood stage, significant changes will be occur in the sphere of physical, intellectual, okay, emotional and social, and all kinds of developments will be starts in this stage. Okay, let us go to next stage, which is early adolescent stage. Okay, actually this early adolescent stage starts from 11 or 12th year and up to continue to 14th year. Okay, this stage is called as in Telugu Yavanarambha Dasha or Purva Kaumara Dasha. Okay, so actually in this stage there are different physical and mental and emotional behavioral changes will be comes. For example, in male and female children, the hormonal regulation will be starts in their body. Different kinds of different kinds of endocrine glands are there. For example, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, and gonads. Okay, and also adrenal gland. All these type of glands will be there in inside the body. These glands will be secretes different kinds of hormones. By these hormones, the complete physical and emotional and mental developments will be starts in the children's. Okay, and after that the later adolescence stage is there. This stage comprising nearly 4 years, which is starting from 14th year to 18th year. Okay, so in this stage the children gets some kind of physical changes like body growth, the bone formation, the bone stability or hardness of the bone. Okay, frequently he eats more and more food, okay, to fulfill the needs of the body, and also regularly in this stage the children may get to sleep regularly because of the needs of the body. He will go to sleeping. Okay, and in a later adolescence stage there different emotional instabilities are there. They don't hear their parents words. Okay, they go to individually in each and every aspect. Okay, they don't want any kind of restriction in their life. Okay, after that they may suffer some with social problems. Okay, and next we go to 8th stage, which is adult stage. Okay, this adult stage is nearly 20 or 22 years. Okay, this adult stage is also divided into 2 stages, which are pre-adult stage and later adult stage. Okay, in this stage the human may get all kinds of activities, all kinds of developments, moral, cognitive, emotional, and stable, and next social development. All these things will be here. The human will be completed and he will start a new life. Okay, and he will select with a new partner, and he will start a new life and produce new offsprings to develop their family and to develop in the society. Okay, and he will inculcate all his abilities to their newborn children. Okay, this is the adult stage, and we know very well about adult stage, what are the main responsibilities and the main aspects of adult stage, what we have to do. Okay, we have to get the job, and we have to do our responsibilities in our family, in social, and when we go to the job, all these things. Okay, and next the 9th stage is middle age. Okay, middle age nearly comprising 20 years. Okay, in this middle age nearly 55 or 56th, in that period the human gets the main behavioral change of salinity. In this salinity he go and understand my abilities and my strength will be falling down, what I have to do. Okay, and what are the main properties I have to fulfill in my life. All these things he may be regularly thinking and feeling very well in this stage. Okay, and finally the 10th stage is there, which is old age. In this old age nearly after 16th year and above, okay, completely he understand and fulfill his life, how he has lived in this world. Okay, what are his responsibilities have fulfilled in his life. Okay, what he offered to others, what are the main helping nature he has to do to the society. all these things will be recollect and remember by the human being. Okay, that is the old stage. Okay, this is the simple description of Elizabeth Hurlock stages of human development. Okay, comprising with nearly 10 stages. Okay, in textbook there are another points are there. Okay, each and every point is there in the textbook. You go through the textbook and ready to get some more points to understand this topic. Okay, the next topic we will meet again with another topic. Okay, thank you students, thank you very much.